this one's going to be a little bit longer than normal, but I think it really demonstrates the value of not getting discouraged when working with birds that have been traumatized through past experience. These two came from a house where they were nothing more than breeder birds, and because of that, they've had zero hands-on experience with people, aside from bad experience. So, in only 22 days of them being home with me, we have made huge progress. And as you can see, not every interaction works out favorably, but every interaction is one for learning. And all that really follows here is just the method that I've found personally works for Solaire and his partner. They are both incredibly timid, but Solaire does seem to accept treats. So, to a degree, he is workable. And today we hit a huge breakthrough with his partner. You'll see that near the end of the video. One thing to keep in mind too is that this session went on for about 5 to 10 minutes before this. It took Solaire about that long just to build up the confidence to even consider letting my hand come near him. Earlier this day, he would still run away from me trying to hand him some spray mellet, and that extends from your hand a good 3-4 inches. But this here, huge breakthrough. And as you can see too, even after 3 weeks of as gently as possible introducing my hands to the cage, she's still having nothing to do with me. Or that was until this.